so glad you're here today. I am testing a new fragrance for you. It is called Magic Mica, but I'll tell you all about that fragrance a little bit later on. And now I am just preparing my batter, splitting my batter into two so that I can test my fragrance at 4% load. It's a masculine scent. According to the fragrance notes, it says a masculine, fresh, clean fragrance, Magic Mica and Captain America rolled in one. Well, I'm calling this soap Poseidon, so I'm choosing my colors according to them. And Green Peacock mica that you saw me adding in is my absolute favorite. If I can just have one color in a world, I will have that color. And added a little bit of charcoal just to make it more darker, more masculine, more oceany like color. So let's see how it turns out. Wow, I just love this shade of teal, perfect for Poseidon Soap. And here comes Magic Mica fragrance oil. Let's see how it performs. Well, there's no rising. It incorporates nicely into the soap batter. It's not speeding up, so I'll just speed up the video. As you can see, it poured beautifully. Now I'm just adding my safe color on top. And I want to do the drop swirl, but I can see that it didn't swirl enough, so I decided to use the chopstick. And now you can see the bottom layer has set up a little bit and it's leaving a little bit of chunks. So for this fragrance I would actually use a different pouring technique, like in the pot swirl or just a single layer, single color soap, because I think this fragrance is really has performed beautifully. I haven't used any sodium lactate or salt in this recipe, so I can see the soap is a little bit tacky to unmold. It looks like the fragrance has incorporated beautifully. Yes, there are a little bit of dents that I've made with that chopstick, but it's fine. Let's cut it and see what type of two color design I managed to get. Well, I think it's quite beautiful soap. I love the color and it sort of looks like a wave crashing against a shore or just forming. So I'm actually quite impressed with my little soap design here. Thanks for joining me today and watching how I test a new fragrance in my studio. And I'm leaving you with a couple of photos. Enjoy today and I'll see you next week.